Hi everyone, I'm really excited for today's painting. I'm using another 7 by 14 size canvas, and I will also be using, I'm going to show you over here all of my colors. I'm going to be using quite a big array of colors, so I'm not going to go through all of the different colors. All that I will say is that I have a whole row of metallics, all these over here. And I still have a little bit of glow-in-the-dark paint left in my white, and I will be using my new kind of air pen that I used on my last painting. I'm really enjoying that. I was contemplating if I should buy an airbrush or not, and I found that this was a really good alternative for a really good price, so I'm super happy about that find. So I'm excited about today's painting because of all of these awesome colors, and I hope it turns out fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.